I was googling how do I know when to give up. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ládé.exe. So you're probably wondering why we're in my bathroom. That's because I'm gonna wash my brushes. They've been sitting for like 2 weeks now, but like even if I said in previous videos I don't use dirty brushes, I still don't. They've just been sat unwashed. I've not reused them because like look at this beautiful skin. I'm not trying to have acne, so yeah, I've not been using the dirty brushes, but I need to wash them because like in case I want to do full glam, I need to have clean brushes on hand. But in the meantime, we're also going to chat as well and like catch up. You know, it's been 1 year since I started posting on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. Okay, no, actually, no, Instagram was been like 2 years ago now. But yeah, we're just going to talk about how content creation has been and like everything, the whole shebang. Yeah. So my first question, I'm guessing the younger me will ask me right now, is how content creation been after a year? It's been good, but one thing I would want to talk about is that the vision that a lot of like established creators saw, they're like, oh, just post your content. Look at me going on this brand trip because I posted my silly little videos, and it's like it doesn't happen that easily. You know, I remember there will be times where I will edit and like I will literally cry after I edit because I'm like, surely, I don't know, is it that I'm just not good enough to get these opportunities or to have, because like right now on my TikTok I'm on 280, which I'm very grateful for. I'm very grateful for every single person that like vibes with my style of makeup and follows me. But I was expecting to be at least, if I was struggling, 1K, because like how these people would like say that, oh, just post your content, you know, like look at me on your brand trip and you don't want to post your content. It's like, I don't know, it took you years to get to where you currently are, and like by making videos like that you're kind of flattening like the nuance of your success. Like they definitely earned their success, yes, but like it did not happen in 1 year. It's not as if they started posting in 1 year and then they got that. So I think like growing for me like in content creation was realizing that, because like I remember I would be putting so much pressure on myself as to how like perfect my edits were, how clean my camera quality was. But like one thing I am very proud of though is that like regardless of everything, I didn't give up, because bruv, I was googling how do I know when to give up. It was actually like a lot, because like after every video, you know, TikTok will give me the usual 200 views and 10 likes, and it's like, what do you mean out of 200 people? Okay, like fair enough, 200 people is a lot of people low-key saw my video and only 10 people decided to like it. Like I put my heart and soul into this. I edited it, made sure the hooks were hooking, made sure the look was bomb, and it's like, why is this not viral? Like so many posts that would edit and like surely this is the one that is going to go viral, and like it doesn't go viral, it just does regular. But one thing that I am very happy about in the like fact that I did not give up on like making makeup content is that I like my makeup skills have like greatly improved. I remember there was a time where I could only do like very neutral. If I was to do eyeshadow, it was only going to be very neutral, like if I was going out of my comfort zone, pink. And yeah, like literally now I can like take on craziest makeup looks. I don't get it perfectly every time, but I kind of know the techniques and how to blend, how to make the colors work together, how to transition them with each other, and like I'm just really proud of myself. I look at my old videos and it's like, whew, girl, you went out looking like that. But yeah, growth, I guess. Maybe me next year would like say the same about my makeup now, but like don't judge me, future me. Also something that like I don't know is like very easy to get into is like buying a bunch of makeup, because like literally I don't know, like I just see like a new product and it's like, no, I don't even do product reviews on my page, and it's like I just want to try it, and like I don't know, like I have like a lot of makeup, but like I don't know, is it overconsumption if I'm using all my stuff? I don't think so. Is it? I don't know. I don't want to know. But yeah, I really want to do more looks. I want to get back into my creative. Like I feel like nowadays, like the most creative I've gotten is just doing colorful eyeshadow. It's like, I don't know, I love that, but like you guys, I promise I'm more multifaceted than that. And like also one thing as well, like even now is like I'm not like clean girl baddie enough for the baddie crowd, and I'm not like creative makeup enough for like the creative makeup crowd. And it's like, where do I fit in all of this? And it's like, okay, I can just carve out my own niche and like just I don't know, just what am I feeling like today? Am I feeling like baddie full glam, or am I feeling more colorful creative? And yeah, a lot of the times, I mean honestly right now I'm still in my experimentation phase, because like I'm looking at getting the results I want to, but like I wouldn't say that's why I've been feeling lazy to edit, because like bruv, I will get 10 likes for one post, I'm like, come on, we go again. And I actually also genuinely enjoy like doing my makeup, playing dress up. Like I recently started doing like get ready with me videos on my TikTok. I love it. Like I have nowhere to go. Brands, invite me for events, please. I really need to go for events. But yeah, like I have nowhere to go, but like I really enjoy dressing up and like styling up my looks and everything. Like it's just like I'm a pretty princess, yeah, you know. And yeah, so that's how that's been. And also like yeah, I really want to do more like pro okay, I'm not a pro makeup artist, but like I really want to like practice like looks on other people and also myself as well. Guys, I just need time. Once I get time, looks back to back to back to back to back, another banger. Before you recovered from this banger, another banger has already dropped. Yeah, the bangers YouTube video will take like 2 to 3 business months still, but yeah. So stuff that I've improved in since I've started doing content creation. My edits. If you've not seen my recent videos, go and watch my get ready with me's. I love the engagement that they've gotten, but a lot more people like I need a lot more people to see it. I spent a lot of time making those edits. Go and watch it, please. Thank you very much. My TikTok is beauty by Ládé.exe. Yeah, yeah, my edits have gotten so much better. Like usually, like before, when people ask like, oh, like, would you watch your own content? I'm like, if I don't know, I should not judge my, and also like I wouldn't judge my content based on that, because like I've been editing. I don't know, I don't want to watch it after I've edited. Like I already know my next word and like my next move. So I feel like, especially for beginners, that's not a fair metric to judge your content by. Of course, try to like do your best. I wouldn't say, oh, make good content, because even if you ask me what is good content, I will not be able to give you an answer, because I'm honestly still figuring it out. I mean, all content that you put your best into is good content. Like it might not be popular content, but of any content that you put your best into, you tried and like you really did your big one, it is good content. Whether it's popular content, I don't know. Yeah, all the content I put out is good content, because a lot of thought went into it. I thought out the concepts, I edited and everything. A lot of them were not popular, but they were good. And yeah, I think that one thing that I don't know, right now I've kind of detached from like the metrics. Like if I get good metrics, amazing. If I don't, I know I've put my art out there, and one day maybe I'll be the influencer going on a brand trip and like opening a bunch of PR packages. But right now, it's okay that that's not me, and that's not because my content is not good or I'm not good enough or anything. It's just the way it is. Like, this industry is really saturated, and like, I don't know, honestly I'm willing to wait my turn and improve while I'm at it, because like the growth that I've seen in my skills for the past year and is immense, and I'm really excited to see what more, like what growth and what opportunities that this brings me. So I'm gonna keep posting. I'm gonna edit this YouTube video. You guys, how you guys will know how glow is it when I start talking about, oh, somebody's editing my videos, and I know it's very minimal labor. I don't know, maybe I'll have more money to buy myself sweet treats, but like I don't know whether I would outsource washing my brushes, or like I don't know, I would get an automatic brush washer, because like low-key, like what do you mean somebody's job is just washing brush? That's a bit demeaning. Yeah, so I would get a brush washer. That's how you know that I've made it, when I have a brush washing machine. Because low-key, like I see why people use dirty brushes on their face, because like I've been doing that actually, but like not like face brushes, just more like, because right now my eyebrows are thin, I'm still not taking off my makeup. I use like an angled brush to do them every day, and like I honestly can't be bothered to wash that one, because like, hey, I will actually just be so stressed out. So I don't wash that one. I wash that one when I'm like washing the rest of my washing. But like face, but especially one that I used to blend in my foundation, no, that one I maximum twice. Maximum. Even that twice gone. Like there needs to be like a reason. Like I don't have any other brushes. Like that's my holy grail. Yeah, I don't know. Like once, and we're pushing. Like I didn't get the skin from using a dirty brush 6+ times. No shade to anybody though. Like I get the struggle. I know why you do it. But 2020 media, I remember watching this video where this girl was like, oh, like I remember that time like my acne was bad. I mean, I could not leave my face alone. I was exfoliating, I was dermaplaning, there was nothing I was not doing, you guys. So I was like, how do you guys get clear skin? Because I was seeing people like their skin will be clear. When I say no single blemish, I just realized that the extractor is still on. I'll be back. Hopefully my audio does not suffer too much for that. Let's see how powerful my camera is in terms of filtering sound. But yeah, like literally, like I'll see people with like clear skin 2020, and I was like, how do we do this? She was like, oh, like don't use dirty brushes, like wash your face outside of the shower and all that. But the one that really said to her was that don't use dirty brushes one, cause it's not you guys that will come and help me to treat acne. So yeah, that is why I don't use dirty brushes, in case I have not elaborated in the other videos. But like I feel like I'm starting to make up my hair real quick, and like maybe that rule can be bended in some areas. Maybe I will eventually use one brush multiple times without washing it. We'll see. Stick out long enough with me and we'll find out, or we'll see whether I get a brush washing machine. But yeah, I'm really excited as to what growth my creator journey has to offer. I really love how like creative and like very expressive I've gotten with my makeup and my style in general. I feel like it has really like made me more confident. Like if I can put myself out there and get 10 likes, like I can wear I can wear a very edgy outfit, and like I will not be scared of anybody judging me, because like I've cried at the 10 likes, and it's like, okay, on to the next one. You know, the content was good, but it wasn't popular, and that's fine. You know, one day, you know, I remember when like Dochi like blew like at the beginning of like 2025, and like we're looking at her old videos from her YouTube, and like, oh my gosh, like even then she was iconic. And like when I blow, all of that is gonna be archives. You guys are gonna look at this video and be like, damn, she's been iconic since day one, before she was on the cover of Vogue. Manifestation, babes, manifestation. Delulu is what is a Solulu. Before she was on the cover of Vogue, she used to make, I mean, I feel like I'll probably still be making YouTube tutorials. I don't know. Maybe the money and fame will change me. we'll wait and find out. But you're like, oh my gosh, like her videos are so iconic, and she was like, she's been popping since day one. So even if I'm getting 10 likes now, it's like archives for when I blow, or like just, I don't know, when I blow ish. But yeah, I don't know, I don't really have much to talk about. I'm almost done washing my brushes. I am tired, but I'm glad they're washed now, so I don't have like dirty brushes staring at me every day. It's like, when will you wash us? But yeah, this was a nice chat. It was nice to get all of this off my chest and like share what it has been like from my creator POV to you guys. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let me know in the comments if this will inspire you to start your content creation journey. I'm not promising you that you would have PR boxes in a year, or like you will go on brand trips, but you will enjoy the process. You will, if it's something that you've been wanting to do, it's going to improve your confidence. It's going to make you more expressive. If that's what you're looking to do, I would go into it, maybe post a little eyeshadow, eyeliner here and there. But I don't know, do you at the end of the day. But yeah, I hope you found this video, I don't know, I hope you loved hearing me yap, because I feel like that's what I've been doing like most of this video. And I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see my iconic makeup videos. You guys, banger on banger on banger. You're not ready? Oh, I don't know, get ready. You might be, you might not be ready. I don't really know. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.